Mark's Exotic Birds. This is Ken.
Hi, Ken. I wanted to call and see if you guys still had Coco. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Can I put her on hold?
Excuse me, what's that?
Do you guys can I put her on hold?
You have to actually put a deposit to put her on hold.
Okay. How much is the deposit?
$300 is the minimum deposit.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll be in there in a little bit.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Exciting! Getting my husband a bird for his birthday. This is gonna be a complete surprise. So we'll see how he likes it. So my husband's been telling me that he wants a parrot that talks for his birthday, and I've been searching everywhere and meeting so many different types of parrots. I've met African grays, eclectuses, and a yellow-naped parrot that I absolutely fell in love with when I met her last week. I met her last Friday. And I fell in love with her because when I was talking to them on the phone, I was asking about her. I found out that she sings happy birthday. So I took that as a major sign of, okay, this is the one I'm gonna buy for his birthday, and I'm sure he's gonna love it, and it's gonna be a really good surprise. So I'm excited, and I have 2 little children, so she's kind of aggressive, and she's really snippy, but she has to get used to you first. I met her one time so far, so I'm gonna meet her again and see how she's gonna react and if she's gonna remember me. So we'll see how that goes. And from what I heard from the employees, that she doesn't really sing happy birthday in public, only when she's alone, when someone else is in the other room. And that's because I guess she was verbally abused by her previous owner. Coco is 3 years old, and they don't know yet if she's a male or a female, but they did the genetics tests for her yesterday, and it should be coming out tomorrow. But that's a little bit about Coco. I'm excited, and I've never had a parrot before, so we'll see how it is. On my way to go pick up Coco. Excited! Okay, I'm here in front of Omar's.
And then they'll get over it. So pretty. Have a girl.
Oh, there. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi there. Coco. Hi, Coco. Let's see if she remembers me. She's gonna bite me. Coco. Coco. Come. What? You're scared? You're scared of me. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hello. Can you come? Say happy birthday. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hello. Come. Oh, she remembers me. No, she doesn't. Coco. Hello. Can I sing happy birthday? Can I sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Coco. Hey. Where are you going? Where are you going? Coco. Hello. Whoa. Coco.
This is dust. That's just like shell piece.
Hello.
Hi, Coco.
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Say happy birthday.
He's also very friendly. Just keep your arm down.
Hi.
Good
You're not gonna come say hi?
Yeah.
Come say hi.
Oh, he's a climber.
Oh, she's coming.
This one likes climbing.
Coco.
Like, it's okay, Mama. You can keep petting him.
Uh-oh. No biting,
He
no
likes
biting.
laying on shoulders.
Hi.
I
Coming?
know, that one was more calm.
Oh, you coming? Hi. You gonna stay like halfway unsure?
Don't worry.
Unsure? Coco, come on. Come on. Not sure? Not sure? You can trust me? Come on. Coco.
This one's more of a normal one. He's a little...
Oh, you're falling. You're falling.
Yeah, are you?
You have to make a choice. You're gonna have to make a choice right there. You're not gonna trust me? Let's try and bite.
The youngest one.
Oh, owie, owie, owie. Yum, 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 yum.
Less likely to talk.
Uh-oh.
The noisier they are.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
And also,
That's enough. That's enough. Why?
boys are more likely to talk.
Why?
Girls sometimes might not even like,
Coco. Bad girl. Bad girl, Coco.
but you also want noisier. Noisier is more likely to talk.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. She sings happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello. Hello. Hi. Whoa. Hi, Coco.
That's the store mascot.
Hi.
It goes through you and you play with it and see if it's another or not. If not, then you just move on to the next baby. until you find it. That's kind of how it
Coco. Hi. Happy birthday. Why are you trying to eat me? Why are you trying to eat me?
You're the first one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
No. No. No, buddy. You're so mad. You're so mad. Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad?
This one,
Owie, 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 owie.
I like
Hi, Coco. Ah. Coco, happy birthday to you. Come on, say hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coco. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Can you say hello? Hello. Hello. Hi, Coco. Okay, you ate me and you tasted all of it. Okay, there's nothing left to eat. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, you want to come? She wants to come here. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hi, Coco. Sing happy birthday. Okay, ready? Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. She only sings when she's alone in the shower. Happy birthday. Coco. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. What is this? You're doing a saplet. Hi. Okay, come on. You can make the step over here. I'm not gonna bite. You're the one who's biting me. Ow! Ow! Owie, owie, owie. I should wear something thicker today. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. You're the one who's asking to come here. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Ow. Ow. Okay. There's not much to bite here. You say hi? I say hello? Say hello. Want to say hello? Ah. Okay. Okay, yum, 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 yum. Uh-oh. Okay, you're getting too close to my hand. Bad girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You really want to come here? Okay, come. Oh, just so you can bite me. You just want to bite me. Stop biting me. Why? I'm yummy. I'm friendly. I think you tasted it. You know what it tastes like? Okay, yeah. Oh, not trusting me. Not trusting me. Okay, still not trusting me. Yeah, almost trusting. Almost. Say hi, Coco. Whoa, almost. Almost trusting me. I guess it must taste really good. Ow, that's a soft spot. Ow. Okay, no more biting. What? And I sing happy birthday first. Say hi, Coco. Uh-huh.
There you go, baby.
For my hair. That's my arm hair.
He's looking at you. He's trying to chew your hair.
Oh, you're too high to take. Say hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hi, hi, Coco. Okay, you wanna come?
He doesn't want to go back.
No biting, no biting, no biting.
He doesn't want to go back.
You're here. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hello. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Uh-oh. You're gonna go far. Uh-oh. Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Say hello. And sing happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Is it enough? Oh, you wanna stay? You wanna stay? You wanna stay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, you have good lighting right here. Good lighting.
We talked about that.
Okay, so this is a care sheet which explains about the diet, all the fresh fruits and vegetables you can feed your birds, what not to feed, no avocado, no chocolate. One thing that's very important is Teflon. If you're going to cook with Teflon, okay, anything non-stick. Anytime you're frying anything or just cooking it, what happens is when it reaches a certain temperature, it releases certain fumes that can be toxic to your bird.
Have it in a different room completely.
Yeah, but I would hate to say it's okay because depending on your vents, sometimes, like I've had people that say, oh yeah, my bird was upstairs and this happened. Do you know what I mean? So I would just say be very careful.
I think we shouldn't even be using those to eat.
I know.
If it's that bad for birds.
Yes, and they're especially them, their respiratory system's a lot more sensitive than humans. So sometimes it can kill your bird instantly. Okay, so be very careful. Same with the self-cleaning ovens because they burn for such a long period of time. Any aerosol sprays, like if you use Lysol, try not to go spraying it around all the time in front of them. You know, if you use any kind of cleaners for the cage, this stuff is great. You can use it's totally safe around birds. We use it to disinfect, and you can actually spray it in the cage with the bird in there.
Okay.
If not, just use plain water and maybe a little bit of the Dawn dish soap. Okay. Different ways of bathing your bird. Now, sometimes Coco will bathe in her water bowl. If not, get her used to bathing her. You can mist her with a water bottle, but don't squirt her directly. Kind of let it rain on her, so mist up, so it doesn't scare her. You can put her in the shower. You can put her in the sink and let her bathe. Okay. And then also, we do free grooming for the life of the bird. Every 2-3 months, just bring her in and get her groomed. There's going to be seasons that they go through molds, say 6 weeks later. Just bring her back in. It's always been different. Okay?
And how long does it take?
Like within a couple of minutes, you wait while we do it.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Okay? And then type of cages and type of toys. Now this here's for the free vet visit. I would read through it, and it talks about cultures, blood panels, and testing you can do. If you decide to do all this blood work and all this testing, we don't cover that. It's just a wellness check. They'll be able to say, okay, this is wrong with her, or she needs this. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
like she's overweight.
yeah. So this vet no longer does it, but you can call this vet, and then where are you guys at?
An orange.
Is this vet closer to you?
Maybe.
Or same distance? Well, either one. You can call whatever's closest to you. This is a 6 right here. You can call either one. Let them know you bought a bird from us and you want to take them in for the free vet visit.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll put all the bird's information here. Now, we weighed her today. We ask that you bring her back in 1 week for a weigh-in, just to make sure she's holding weight.
Okay.
Okay?
How often should she see the vet?
They're not like
Unless she's
dogs.
sick,
Maybe
no?
just like once a year, or unless you notice that she's sick. They're not like dogs
Like
where they need
different.
shots or anything like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, Jason? No? No, James K. Okay, so let me just add you. Okay, so what
Offer her different stuff.
So this is the snack. What was this one?
That's a cook mix. You can either feed it dry
But is it
or give it
main
to
meal?
cooked.
It's a main meal?
Yeah, it's something that you would. Yeah, I would say main meal because you would give it with just fruits and veggies. Her fruits.
And then veggies, just raw veggies?
raw veggies. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you gave me a list of what she can have.
Yeah. And then when you go to the vet, you got to take this paperwork in. Okay.
Okay.
And then here's your care sheet for you.
Okay. So I can remember. Main meal, snack, treat,
Snack.
treat. Or I can mix these together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll put on here snack.
I have to videotape
Or
this, I remember.
Treats, main food.
And then I think she was telling me that she's a little heavy weight, so
So for an Amazon, I wouldn't say give her like a whole bowl of peanuts or anything. Give her like 1 or 2 a day. This is gonna be, let her fill up on this.
oh, this is low calorie. It looks like it has what are these? Apple seeds? What are they? These seeds?
Juniper berries or berries.
Oh, those are the that's the berry stuff my husband was
Yeah,
asking
and then
about.
also these are dried peas, dried corn, dried carrots, dried dates, dried apples. Okay, so I think nice. Okay. They will be right there. Now, do you have perches and all that?
Hello? Hello? She just said hello. Hello? Hi. Okay, stop beeping, car. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hi. Stop beeping, car. Hi, Coco. Hi. Not working. How needs to go? Hi, Coco. Hello. Hello. Hi. Can you laugh like me? Welcome. Welcome to our family. Hi, Coco. Coco. Can you sing happy birthday for me? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Coco. Happy birthday to you. Can you sing the opera? I heard you sing the opera really well. Coco. Hello. Okay, bye. Hello. Hello. Coco. 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 Hi. 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 Hello. Hello. Hilarious. She's copying my laugh. Coco. Can you say? What can you say? Say something. Hello? 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 Coco? Okay, bye. Not saying it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one.
Coco's in the house. Hi, Coco. Hi. Hello. Can you say hello? Say hello. So I just got Coco from Omar's, taking her home for the big surprise. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm trying to get Coco to sing, but she's not singing. Come on, Coco. Come on, Coco. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You're making me miss my exit, Coco. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You're gonna sing happy birthday for the rest of our lives? We're gonna sing it forever, forever, forever. Go home. Are you ready, Coco? You ready? We're home. We're home. Are you ready? Are you ready to go home? We're here. How the fuck did you know we were here? Quiet. Happy
that?
birthday.
Hi, Coco.
Oh, she hates your guts.
She's scared. Hi, Coco.
What is it? Look, look at them running. Adam, where are you going? Yana, hi. It's really cold in the house. What's going on?
It's a nice cage. Where?
Hi, Coco. Oh, are you scared?
Bad and nervous.
Hi, Coco. Coco. La, 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 la. What is that?
You come to Papa? Come to Papa. No. That birdie. Suck. Hey, look, give it to me.
What is that?
You're a mean bird.
Can you sing? Can you sing? Okay, ready? Go. Oh, step up. Step up on mommy. No, step up on mommy. Step up.
Forget.
Come on, eh?
She was getting somewhere.
Yeah. Now your turn.